Hello students, welcome again to your EVS class. Students, today again I am going to start a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Safety Rules. Okay, this chapter 10, Safety Rules. First, a poem. Learn this poem. Red light, what do you say? I say stop and right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait until the light turns green. Green light, what do you say? I say go, but look both ways. Okay, this is the very important, okay, this poem. Okay, these are traffic lights. So red light says what? Stop. Yellow light says wait, and the green light says go, but look both ways, then you will go. Clear? So red light, what do you say? Now I say stop and right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait until the light turns green. Okay. Next, green light, what do you say? Now I say go, but look both ways. Clear? We should always follow safety rules to avoid accidents. Yes, we should always follow safety rules to avoid accidents. Okay. First, safety on the road. We should follow many safety rules on the road. Okay. First, always walk on the footpath. Yes, we should always walk on the footpath. Use the subway wherever available. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Is a zebra crossing. Okay, cross the road at the zebra crossing. Never play on road. Yes, we should not play on the road. Okay. Look to your right and left, and then right before crossing the road. Yes, while you crossing the road, first you will look right side, then the left side, and then you will cross the road. Clear? Do not get in or get off from a moving bus. Yes. Do not get in or get off from a moving bus. Clear? We should wait for the bus to stop before getting on it. Understand? And also, we must stand in a queue at the bus stop, and we should wait for the bus to stop before getting on it. Okay? Clear? Next, safety at home. There are many safety rules that we must follow at home. There, first, do not play with sharp things. Yes, we should not play with the sharp things. Clear? Next, do not play with switch or the plugs. Okay. Do not play with switch and the plugs. Do not play with fire. Clear? Do not play with fire. Next, do not touch mixers, fans and ovens. Okay. Do not take any medicine on your own, and do not fly kites at the roof. So, Safety at home. First, do not play with sharp things. Do not play with switch and the plugs. Okay. So do not play with switches and plugs with wet hands. Next, do not play with fire. Do not play with fire as it may cause fire. Okay. Next, do not touch mixers, fans and the ovens. Do not take any medicine on your own. Next, do not fly kites at the roof. Clear? One more thing, students. After playing, we should keep our toys in their proper place, okay? So that no one trips over them and gets hurt. Clear? You all play with the toys, but after playing, you should keep your toys in their proper place, okay? So that no one trips over them and gets hurt. And we should never race down the stairs in a hurry as we may fall. And one more thing, that is, we should not play with the broken toys as they may hurt us. Clear? So there are many safety rules at home that we should follow, we must follow. Next, safety at school. Safety at school. Now do not jump on the desk or the chairs or the bench, okay? Do not throw anything on others. Do not take anything from a stranger. Clear? Next, first aid. If you or someone gets hurt, you should report it to your parents or teachers. Okay? First, you should report to your parents or teachers. They will help you. Clear? So if you or someone gets hurt, you should first report it to your parents or teachers. They will help you. Clear? And the immediate medical help that an injured person receives is called the first aid. Okay, so what is called the first aid? Now the immediate medical help that an injured person receives is called first aid. Clear? So students, your homework is, you will read this chapter properly, okay? The function of the traffic lights, safety on the road, safety at home, safety at school, and also the first aid. Okay? So that's it for today's class. Thank you.